let's just start now. I'm not gonna bother I'm not gonna bother doing the starting soon scene. Let's just immediately start the stream then. Wait, let me fix this a bit because this seems a bit broken. Let's fix that. Okay, there we go. Size this a bit. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Thanks for waiting. Let me just fix this a bit. I'm gonna put this subscriber counter just to encourage everyone to subscribe. So, yeah. Welcome to the stream. I missed you since last stream. Did you cry yourself to sleep yesterday before going to bed? But yeah, today is gonna be a longer stream. I'm gonna try and do like a 2 to 3 hour stream. So yeah, let me drink some water. Water. How nice. Okay, let me real quick change the scene because we're gonna be working on something called the item system. I'm just gonna immediately start working because I want to see how much productivity I can do in 2-3 hours. So yeah. Just make sure everything's working. Good. Let me actually make the microphone slightly louder. But yeah. Okay. Is studio open? Yeah, studio's open. Good. So, let me tell you some of the things I did since last stream. I fixed a bunch of issues. Not a bunch, I fixed 2 issues, which that has plagued the stream since episode 1, basically. So if I go into here, let me show you off what I've done. So first off, I fixed the pedestrian AI. It actually works on the other side now. Let me show you. It actually works now. I finally get into a stream. Congrats. You're watching a stream now. You're watching the stream now. Let me show you. So look, they actually come from both sides now. It's so crazy now. They actually come from both sides now. But for some reason, they want to go left or right. I do not know why. They for some reason just want to walk here. I do not know why. It's like the right side, like this side, they're all walking like normal people, you know, on the sidewalk. Meanwhile, this side, they decide that they don't want to walk on the sidewalk, but rather want to walk right next to it, just to, you know, piss me off and stuff. So, yeah, I do not know why that is. I think I'm just gonna have to like add some invisible walls here to fix that. But yeah, I think we can add a GIF like subscribe and stream. We can, but yeah. Oh yeah, I love Studio. Welcome, Manuel Raphael. I'm not sure if I pronounced your name correctly, but yeah. Let's continue. So I fixed that, and another thing I fixed is the collision groups, so now you can't actually collide with NPCs anymore. So yeah, those are the 2 things I fixed since last stream. And let me actually explain how I fixed the pedestrian AI. So it was basically just the simplest thing possible. So in main script, see this side, see this thing, the thing that defines which side, you know, that makes the actual int value. It was I actually made it a bool value, so it was actually a bool value. And once I saw, I went, oh, you know, realized how dumb I was. But yeah, this was bool value instead of an integer value, which dumb of me. So yeah. Why don't you make the path wider? I mean, that's not the problem here. It's just the problem that the pathfinding, you know, tries to find the shortest possible path. So for some reason it does that. So yeah, gotta go. Bye. See you. Sorry that you couldn't. Sorry that you can't watch the rest of the stream, but sure. See ya. Okay, let's continue. So let's continue from last time, which is the actual item shop. So let's do that. So let's go into Starter UI, Game UI, Shop Frame, and another thing I have to quickly change is, let me actually first enable this, is make it so it's already at the bottom of the screen, because otherwise, when you click it just spawns out of nowhere, which is not what I want. I want it to actually comes out of the ground first. So to do that, I just go to Shop Script, see where where it comes from, so it comes from 0.5, 1.5. Okay, so let's change that. Shop frame, go down to position, and this should be 1.5 if I'm correct. That's if I can spell. 1.5, there we go. Am I correct? Is that the actual thing? Yeah, 1.5, there we go. That should be that done. But for now I have to actually change it to, actually wait, never mind. I just realized I can do something else. I can just set it through the script to immediately set it to that position, so let me actually do that. So I don't have to keep on changing it back to the top of the screen whenever I want, you know, edit the thing. Oh, I guess I can't talk today. I can't even speak in every single stream, but, you know, I can't speak at all. No, don't leave, you're making mistakes. Stay right here. No, some guy's leaving the stream, it's so sad. But yeah, let's continue. So, shop frame dot position is going to equal to just udem2. Come on, let me actually type this correctly. Just set it to 0.5 to 1.5. There we go. Okay. So, another thing I kind of forgot to do since last stream is there's the description, but I also need to make it so it shows what stats it, you know, gives, like how much extra money it gives, and if it gives percentage stuff, you know, extra donate percentage. So to do that, I'm just going to go to description frame, go to frame, and in here I'm just going to size this down to like here, I guess. Right here, I'm also just going to set it to text scaled, because it's just going to screw up over smaller devices. I also forgot that I should probably change the names of these, so this is going to be description, label, name label, and this, which I want to move down to here, size this down a bit, so, actually it's not letting me size it down. There we go. Size it slightly to the left here. And this is going to be stats label. And I'm going to change this to be green, because green looks nice. I don't know why, but I just want it to be green. So like, let's say, so how this is going to look like is essentially like this. We're going to do like 0.0 plus, or actually plus, where's the plus sign? I can't find a plus sign. Plus 0.05 cash, you know? And then like, actually no, it's supposed to be at the start like that. There we go. Something like this, and then I can add more stats if I really want to, you know? So that's what I'm going to do. So, let's continue scripting this from last time. So what I think I did was try to configure the happy rock position, or the item position, this thing. Actually, let me actually close the frame first. So, shop frame, where is it? Visible, so that's just false. I tried to set up this rock's position value, which I think I know how to do today. I kind of thought it through since last stream, and I think I know how to fix this. So essentially, what I'm going to have to do is set Happy Rock's position exactly to this position. So to do that, I just need to do this. I need to get the C-frame position of plot 1, paste it into here, and then from there we can actually configure how much we have to move it. So there we go. Now it's inside the ground, so to change that, I want to do this stuff. I'm going to do this. So we're going to do this, which is, first off, we're going to move it up to here. Then we, actually, wait, no, I have to count how much it moves up, so it's going to move up, 0.75, so let me just open up a notepad. And in here, we're just going to count what the, position value. So we're going to do X, Y, and Z. How much we're going to have to add to it. So here we're going to have to do 0.75. And then we're going to have to move it back. So what is it? So the Z axes, we're going to do this. How much are we going to have to move it? Okay, let's see. Actually, I can't count. I might have to use a calculator to calculate this because I'm a bit too dumb. I can't count this by head. Welcome Charlie to the stream. I'm gonna have to use a calculator. I just realized because I do not know how to because I do not want to bother trying to calculate this. Let me change this from trigonometry. How do I do that? It's just standard. There we go. And let's actually calculate this. So, what's the actual plot's actual thing? Or not actual thing, but this thing. So 1.6 whatever. So 169.266. We minus that by this position, which is going to be this. So I'm just going to copy this. Control C, and we just minus. Okay, 7.5. And the Z is going to be actually minus 7.5. Well, the X we can just leave as the same. So there we go. This is how much we're going to have to add to the C frame once we set the position, so it changes it to here, if I'm correct. So let's see if I'm correct. So if I go here, plot free, not plot free, I think I already had the script made somewhere. If I'm correct, let me actually see. I swear I had a script. Yeah, here. So in here, we set it to C frame, and then we have to add to here. So X, we leave the same. This is 0.75. Well, this is minus 7.5. That's if I can type. There we go. And we're just going to remove the C-frame angles because we do not need that. And this should be correct. Let me just move this out of here. Make sure this is actually the plot. Script.parent, yeah. Okay, let's see if this works. Hopefully it does work, but yeah. Actually, I forgot. I should probably do run instead of actually play testing to see if it actually works. Okay, where did Happy Rock go? He should have teleported to here, but he didn't. Oh yeah, no, it's this plot. So it does work, but I still need to actually change the C-frame because, as you can see, it's the other way around. So yeah, that actually does work, but I need to change it so it actually turns it around. So yeah, let's do that. First, I have to see what position I have to set it to. Okay, it's one. No, wait, no. Yeah, 180. I have to just move it 180 on the y-axis. See, I actually do need this. So where is it? Plus, or actually times it by. Where's it times? I can't find times. There we go. Times C-frame dot from Euler angles. Returns a rotated C-frame from angles, yeah. We do math dot rad 0 and math dot rad 180. And again, I have to do it one more time. So math dot rad. You can just realize this is random. I meant rad because it's so rad. And this should work. Let's run it and see if it works. Missing argument 1 to rad. What do you mean, missing argument? Ah, this. Forgot to add 0 to this. So let's do that. 0. Let's quickly check stream. Blue tackies. Enjoy your blue tackies, I guess. Okay, let's see if this works now. Yeah, nice. Okay. We set it up. Good. We set Happy Rock's position. It actually changes it now, which is a good thing. It actually does work, so yeah. That's good. That means we can just, store Happy Rock in a server storage. So we just go into here. We're going to do a new folder. We're going to call it items. Oops, I keep actually clicking that. We're just going to call this items. And we're going to move Happy Rock to there. Into items. There we go. There we go. We got our one item, set up, and so we set up its position so it works with any of these plots. Which I just kind of realized that if I change the size of this plot, it's also gonna change all the other item positions, which I might have to change later. But for now, it's fine because this is currently just testing phase. We're just slowly building the actual systems of the game up, and later, once we actually want to polish the game, you know, we will just change all the values and stuff around. But for now, I'm just making the systems, so looking some actual functional systems, so it's fine. So yeah, let's continue by going into Game GUI and going back into ShopScript. So, actually, the first thing I have to do is set up the rocks, you know, by the GUI that you can actually buy the rocks. So, let's actually do that first, thinking about it. So yeah, Happy Rock. We're gonna have Happy Rock, but the thing is, we don't have an image for him, so, you know, kind of sad, but we're gonna have to add an image. Actually, no, not add an image, but we're gonna add the image a bit later, because I do not want to spend half an hour, you know, setting up thumbnails or like logos, you know, in item images for each singular item, which I'll probably do later, but not in this stream. That's all I know. Hey man, what's a great tip for beginner devs? Let's see. Let me think. Probably, don't overestimate, don't overimagine. Start off with smaller projects and don't immediately go into like massive projects, like let's say like an open MMO or like an anime fighting game, because if you immediately start off with such a massive project, you're just not going to end up finishing it. So yeah, start off with smaller projects. That's my tip. So yeah, are you gonna make a low poly in that? No, I'm not gonna make a low poly. So yeah, welcome to Speedy Stream. Let's continue. So, what I'm going to have to do is set up the actual thing. So, to do that, I'm going to go into, where is it? Not description. Where is the actual thing? Shop frame? Scrolling frame. Item frame. We're going to call this Happy Rock. And we're going to set up some values for this. So, first value is going to be, string value. And this is going to be item name. Item name. And in here, you know, we got Happy Rock, so we're just going to call it Happy Rock, because we like Happy Rock so much. How are you? I'm doing fine. Yeah. We're going to control D this, rename this to description. Description name. Actually, no, I'm just going to call it description. I don't need to add name. And the description, all I'm going to do is just copy paste the thing from here, from the description label. So just Control C and then Control V it into Happy Rock thing here. Actually, no, that's the name. I didn't mean to do the name. I meant to change the string value. There we go. And the first thing is probably going to be stats. Or the stat increases. Actually, no. We do not want to keep down the client, because if we keep the actual stats on the client, then hackers can actually change the stats because it's local instead of server. We have to do that on the server. Doms is going to hit 500 today. And I'm not going to hit 500, but I might actually be able to hit 400. Which, yeah. Please subscribe and let's make this number 400. So, yeah, please do that. Because we actually might hit 400 this stream, but yeah. I'm actually quickly check something in my Discord server. Okay, nothing really that special in my Discord server. Let's continue. Anyway, what? Yeah, 20 minutes already streamed. Nice. Okay, instead of, you know, doing the stats, we're gonna do, I still need to show the stats, what stats it gives, so I'm still gonna make, a quick another string value. But it's not actually gonna store the stats, it's just going to display the stats. So, to do that, we're just going to do stats, which is also just a string value. What we're going to do is simply this plus 10 cents. We're just going to make it give you extra 10 cents. So yeah, I feel like 0.5 cents is a little too little in my opinion. So yeah, it's the first item, so I'm going to make it only 10 cents because, you know, it's the first item. It's going to be like $5 or something, so you can just buy it immediately, like 5 minutes after like 2 minutes of playing the game. So yeah, let's start actually scripting it now. So you open the shop. So in here, we're going to tab this a bit, and we're going to do this. So once you open the shop, we're going to first off make the description frame. We're going to set description.frame. We're going to make it invisible so you don't actually see it at first. So I'm going to set it to false. So the description.frame.visible is going to equal to false. And then we're going to have to loop through every single thing. Actually, no, actually, we're going to have to do that in here because I'm going to be using events, and if I do it in here, that means the events are going to fire 20 times, which is not what I want. I don't want the clicked event to fire 20 times. So I'm going to have to do it outside of the if. Actually, I almost start doing it here, outside of anything, because otherwise that's going to screw over my script. I have to actually do it before shop button activated. So what we're going to do is this. Description for not description, but scrolling frame. Get children. But first off, I need to put this in a for loop. So for underscore item frame in iPairs scrolling frame get children. So we're gonna loop through every single item inside of the scrolling frame. And we're gonna check if it's a frame. So we're gonna do if item frame is a frame, then we're gonna like basically filter it, so make sure it's an actual item frame and not like a script or anything. I had to use something called prompt button hold began. I didn't read anything in, you know, the dev chat section, so yeah. I'm not necessarily sure why you're making at the moment, but yeah. My name is Taken. I'm so epic, like so epic. Yeah, sure you're epic, alright. But yeah, what I'm going to do now is item frame. Did we make a button for this? I just forgot. Did we even make a button for this? Text button. Is that the item label? No. Why is the text button there specifically? What's this text button all about? Huh. Wait, is this... Wait. What's this text button then? Wait. Description? Frame? Yeah, that's the buy button, so what's this button? What's this button all about? And why is it invisible? Wait, it is visible, so... I'm just gonna delete it, because I do not know why this text button even exists in the first place. I'm gonna make another text button. There we go. Here's another text button. We're just set its we're just gonna set its position. So size is 0, 0, the whole entire thing. I'm gonna make sure it's invisible because the only purpose of this button is just to click on it, the item frame and get the pop-up here. That's the only reason I want this button. So basically, click any of the buttons, and all the info that's stored inside the item frame is gonna get put into the description frame. And then you can buy it if you want it. So yeah, that's what I'm planning to do, or trying to do. So, I'm going to set text to nothing, because we want it completely invisible. There we go. I'm going to set this to this button, I guess. Because I don't really have anything else. So, we're going to go back to, where is it? Shop script. If item frame is a frame, then what do we do in here? Okay, do you do this? Item frame dot button dot activated. So whenever the button's clicked, I mean, when you connect function, tab it out, and in here we're going to do this. We're going to do okay. I know now. I know. I'm gonna do this. So item frame dot, what is it? Item name dot value. Actually, first we have to change description frame dot what did we call thing? Name label dot text is going to equal to this. You're gonna have to do that with every other stat or string that we have. So frame dot description label dot text is equal to item frame dot description. What do we call it? What did we call it? I think it was description. Yeah, it is description. Description dot value. And again with the stats, so description frame dot dot what did I call it again? I keep forgetting for some reason. Yeah, stats label dot text. What is it? Stats dot value, and then we're just gonna set description frame dot visible to true, or dot frame actually, not that, dot frame, and this should work. Let's see if it works. So let me actually first just change these into placeholder things. So I'm just gonna make the text placeholder, because it's not gonna be Happy Rock anymore. I just use this as an example. +00 placeholder is also gonna be set. Actually, no, I meant description. Is also gonna be called placeholder. There we go. Let's see if this works. So first off, I'm just gonna set the visibility of shop frame to 0. I mean, just visible set to false. And let's play and see if this works. Can I help? I am a great programmer. Trust me. Actually, yeah, trust me. Why do you put I pairs and not pairs? I don't know. I'm just used to just writing I pairs instead of pairs. I don't think it makes that big of a difference. Actually, I don't even know what the difference is between them. I actually have to check, but it doesn't seem to change anything from my experience. Also, yeah, this is a solo project. I forgot to respond to a comment. I want this game to be a solo project made by only me for now, until I make the base game, and then from then I will actually maybe consider getting help for the game. Because at the moment I just want this to be like a challenge for myself. So, yeah, let's see. And you don't see it. You click it, and then yeah, it displays everything, which is good. Now I just have to kind of add another string label to show the price. So let's do that as well. Actually, let me drink a bit more water. But yeah, again, if you guys have any ideas for what I can add to this game, suggest them in my Discord server, because if you join my Discord server, I have this tab called Homeless Simulator Ideas where you can put in your ideas. Because if you put it into stream chat, I might not even see it, because there's so much, because there's, people talking and I might not see it, so, yeah. You can use attributes instead of instances inside a frame, by the way. Yeah, I know, but I'm just used to doing, value objects instead. I'm just more used to it, so I just use actual values instead. So yeah, you do that instead. And but I know you can go down to attributes and create attributes from here. I'm just used to that more. Okay, let's go back to, what is it? No, not that. Shop script. Actually, no. I need to go to Happy Rock and add another string label. Or I mean, string value. We'll just call this price. And I think we're going to set the price to $5 then. 5 in-game dollars. So we go into here, $5. There we go. And again, we just have to copy paste the exact same thing here again. So description frame dot price. I don't know. What did I call it? I think it was buy button. Let me see. What did I actually call it? Yeah, buy button. Dot buy button is dot text is equal to item frame dot stats dot price dot value. There we go. And that should work now. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Wait, did I get an error? Happy Rock is not a valid member of Workspace. Huh, I guess I have to do wait for some reason. No, I don't know. Weird issue. Let's go back to here and see if this works. Yeah, there we go, $5. And now I have to script some functionality. But before I do that, I need to make a module script that stores every single item in the game. Because otherwise, I won't be able to actually check. I won't actually be able to check how much the price actually costs. Because I need to do that on the server instead of, the client. Because if you do on the client, there's a possibility that, an exploiter joins your game and, somehow changes the stats, which is not what you want at all. So, to do that, I'm going to go into, server script service and add a module script. In this module script, we're going to store all the information of the items. I'm just going to call it item info. And same here, we're just going to do this. Item info is equal to a table. Item info is here, and we're just going to open this because this is going to be a dictionary. We're going to use this module as a dictionary instead of object-oriented programming or anything. So yeah. So I'm going to store all the info items here. So first off, we're going to do this. We're going to make a table. An inner table, and in here we're going to do this. So item name is equal to Happy Rock. So I have to do it all exactly the same. So I have to actually go to here, and I want to call them the exact same as the actual value names, just so I don't have to search for it. So I don't have to search here. Okay, so item name is equal to Happy Rock. What is it? Description is equal to, actually no, I don't need to store these. I only need to store the actual name. I just realized. I don't need to store the description or anything. The main things you need to store is the name, the stats, the price, and what else? I don't think I need to store anything else. And the physical object in the server. So, yeah. Those are the 4 things I need to store. So, okay, so item name, and then stats. Or if I'll just do statistics because otherwise it changes it. Do this. I'm actually just going to leave it as a blank table for now because I need to figure out how I'm going to set up the stats, which I do not want to do yet. I just want to make the functionality of buying an item functional. So, item name, and then price is going to equal to 5. Just exactly 5. And then the physical objects, I'm just going to say object is equal to let's look for it. Where did I store? I think I stored them in server storage. Yeah, server storage Happy Rock. I'm going to make this like this. I'm just going to rename it to Happy Rock with normal, spelling. I'm going to do this. So object is equal to game dot server storage dot items dot Happy Rock. There we go. And that's going to be our first item info. So, yeah. let's continue. Yeah, thank you guys for subscribing. I just want to say that because we might actually reach 400 subscribers this stream, which is going to be crazy. Because I kind of gained like 40 subscribers in the span of like 3 days, which I know might not sound crazy, but for like a channel my size, it's actually pretty good. So yeah, thank you guys for subscribing and actually watching the streams. That's all I wanted to say. Okay. With that done, I need to make a separate script for handling the shop, but a server script. So I'm going to make a new script, and we're going to call this shop handler, because it's going to handle everything about the shop. So there we go, shop handler. And in here, we're going to have to do some stuff, such as, first off I realized I should probably store the module script inside of shop handler, so let's do that first. And after that, I'm going to do this. So local item info is equal to require script dot item info. Do that, and then also we need to get the items. So local items is equal to. Actually, do we need to? Actually, I'll just do it. I might actually need the folder itself. So server storage dot items. There we go. And as well as that, I'm going to have to make a remote event, because I'm going to need some communication between, you know, the local script and the server script. So to do that, I'm going to go into replicated storage events, because I already made an event from last time, which, you know, does the sound effects. I'm going to make a new event. I'm going to call this shop event. And in here, we're going to do local shop event is equal to, what is it, game.replicated storage.events.shop event. There we go. So we're going to go back to shop script and set up the button click for, you know, buying an actual item. I'm watching you while scripting, so basically we're scripting together. I mean, I do not know how you manage to do that, because, like, how do you manage to script while someone else is talking about scripting, like, right into your ears? I don't get it, because if I was doing that, I'd literally not be able to concentrate on what I'm doing. So yeah. iPairs iterate through arrays, while pairs iterates through both arrays and dictionaries, so it's better to use pairs. Ah, okay. I thought it was kind of the other way around. I thought iPairs was like the superior version. Interesting. Huh. Well, thanks for that info, because I actually didn't know. So let's actually change that, but I don't think I have to do that for now. I think it's actually gonna matter when I'm editing my module script with all the item info. So yeah, that's actually good to know, actually, because I didn't know that before. So yeah, thank you. Okay, let's go back to shop script and script the buy button. So we go back, and I'm gonna do this. So we're gonna go to where is it? Game GUI. We're gonna go to the not shop button, shop frame, description, and in the buy button we're gonna do this. We're gonna make an object. Wait. Is it object? No. That's not what I need. I need the current. I need the. Wait. This is kind of starting to confuse me. No, I don't need to do anything, because what I'm currently trying to do is I want to input the name of the current object that's, you know, selected. So when you press the buy button, so I'm actually to make this easier to explain, I'm just gonna make this visible. So basically, you click the item you want, it's gonna pop up in here, and what I thought I was doing was adding a, you know, object value, but I realized I don't need to, because I already have the current object. It's just the name, you know, the name of the object here. So instead, I'm going to send a remote event. So when you click this, it's going to send over the item name, and then the server, what the server is going to do is it's going to check if there's an item with that name, and if there is, it sees if there's a price, and if there's a price, it subtracts the price from, you know, leader stats money, you know, leader stats.money, and then it's going to set the object, so it's going to clone the object here, and it's going to set it to the player's, you know, plot. So that's what I want to do. That's why I want to script so far. I'm built different, that's how. You're just built different, sure. Let's go back and continue. So, what did I want to do? Oh yeah, I want to go back to shop script. Description frame.frame.visible is not what I want. I want to do this instead. Again, before shop button, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this, which is description frame.frame dot buy button dot activated connect. Not connect parallel connect function. And I do this. So we're gonna get the name. So we're gonna do this, which is local item name is equal to. Is gonna equal to what is it? Description name dot name label dot text. We're gonna do this. We're gonna check. So if item name does not equal placeholder, so we're gonna make sure there's an actual item, you know, selected. So that means there's an actual item instead of, you know, the placeholder that's in the beginning, you know, that if you don't click a single button, it just shows placeholder. We're gonna make sure it's not that, and then if it's not placeholder, that means we want to fire an event. But before I do that, I need to actually define the function. So I'm gonna go back to shop handler. I'm just gonna copy paste the shop event from here into the local script. So here, go into here. So local shop event is that, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna go to here. Actually, no. Why am I pasting it here? I meant to paste it in here. Oh no, I already got it in here. Okay. We're gonna fire over this event. Shop event. Fire server. And we're gonna fire over the item name. So item name. And that should be good enough for now. So from here, we're gonna go back to what is it? Shop handler. And in shop handler, we're gonna do this. So shop event.on server event. So this is gonna fire whenever the client fires the event. I'm gonna get the player, and we get the item name. Just like that. I just realized I should put this in a function. Kind of forgot to do that. So function, press enter, put these in, put these parameters in, and I want to continue. So first off, I want to see if the item even exists in the first place. But before I can do that, I need to do this. I have to make a function that goes through the inner functions. You know, if that goes through the dictionary and goes into the inner tables. So basically, what I want to do is make a find event, or a find function that basically goes into every single item inside of item info, and it goes through every single, you know, value. So item name, statistics, price, object, and then checks if it's the same. So to do that, I'm going to do this. So I'm going to do local function, check item. We need the table, or the value. I'm going to do this. So first off, for underscore inner table in I pairs. Actually, no, not I pairs. I need regular pairs now because thanks to what was your name, Zernal. We're gonna be pairs is actually the better thing to use instead of I pairs. So yeah, let's do that. In pairs, shop event, or not shop event, items info. We do this, and we do this again. So we make another for loop. So for I in inner table. So value in what is it? Inner table. Do. I'm gonna do this. So we're gonna check if actually no. We have to do table value because otherwise they're gonna repeat. Table value. I'm gonna do this. So if table value is equal to value, then we're gonna return the inner table. And that's how we're gonna see. And that's how we're gonna get the rest of the info. So in here, I'm gonna do this. If check item name, then So that means if that item does exist with that name, so you know exploiters don't just type in like random letter, you know, random stuff and like try and bug out or like error the script. We do this. So that means it does exist. We're gonna do local item table is equal to check item name. So this is what this is basically is gonna be this whole entire table. And then from here, we can access every individual value from this table. So yeah, let's go back to shop handler. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna go and get every. We're gonna check. No, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna check if the player has enough money. So to do that, we're gonna do this. So local leader stats is equal to player dot leader stats. Then local money is equal to leader stats dot money. There we go. And now we're gonna do this. If money is more than or equal to item table dot money, or what is it? Dot price, then that means they have either more money or the same amount of money that's needed to purchase the item. So if that's the case, that means we're gonna do this. What is it? Oh yeah, we're gonna have to subtract the money, so we're gonna do this. Money minus is equal to. Wait, where's plus equal to? Yeah, it's minus equal to. Item table dot price. And this is basically gonna subtract the money, and then we're gonna do this. So item table, or local item is equal to. It's equal to what? Yeah, item table dot object. And we're just gonna clone it because we need a clone. There we go. Now I just realized something. I actually need to store the position value as well in here. So we have the object, but we also need the position. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna add another thing which is called pause. And pause is just gonna equal to what is it? Let me see. I think it was in here. Yeah. It's going to equal to cframe.new times all of this. I'm going to just Control C this. Go to item info. I'm going to do this. It's going to equal to cframe.new and paste all of this in. There we go. That should be it. Yeah. And in here, we're just going to do this. I'm just gonna make a separate function because I don't want to clutter this shop event.onServer event. I'd rather kind of separate them. So I'm gonna do local move item to plot. In here, we just need the item and then the position, simply. I just kind of forgot to add function on the back. Kind of forgot to do that. There we go. I'm gonna do this now. So move item to plot. No, I'm dumb. I'm sorry. I just realized I kind of need the player as well. So the item position the player. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna check watch. We're gonna check watch plot the player has. So to do that, I have to quickly check what I wrote in my previous script. Let me quickly see real quick. I have another thing in main, the player module. I have to kind of see how I made this. Let me see. Function assign plot. Assign plot. Okay, so it's an object value. Okay, that's good. That's all I wanted to know. What do I actually assign? Is equal to plot. Plot is equal. Okay, so it's the model. Okay, that's what I wanted to know. And here, what I'm gonna do is local plot is equal to player dot plot dot value. So I'm gonna get the value, and if there is a plot, then actually, I should probably do this. Yeah. And if there's a plot, they're gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. So item dot cframe is equal to plot dot value dot what is it? Wait, I actually have to quickly check real quick. I have to kind of double check what plot is actually, or the plot value inside of the player. So let me actually do that real quick. So let me just quickly hide the shop frame because it's kind of annoying. And let's quickly see what the plot value actually is. Let me quickly check general. Guys, join people. We need join stream. We need people. Yeah, we need people because currently there's only 6 Actually, no, 6 viewers is actually decent. Last time I checked, there was only 1 viewer. So, yeah. Oh wow, we're only 6 subscribers away from 400 subscribers. Damn, nice, nice, nice. We only need 6 subscribers. That means we'll actually probably reach 400 subscribers this stream. So, yeah, that's actually going to be nice. So yeah, to the viewers who are watching this, please subscribe because we're very close to 400. And I'd be happy. I'll be very happy once we reach 400 subscribers. So yeah, please subscribe. That's all I wanted to say. Let's actually see what happens. Or what this is assigned to. So player, Domino Dominicus, plot. We're assigned to plot 5, which is watch. Let me see what plot 5 is. Is it the plot? Is it the model, or is it the plot, or the part? I think it's the. What is it? I have to only see. I have to go select plot 5. Where's plot 5? Go to, press F. And let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna have to find the exact same name, plot 5. Player. Okay, I know how to do this now. I know how to do it. Dom, we are now free. Dom, let's make a hangout server for 400 subscribers. Nah, we don't need to. We don't need to. We'll probably do something once I reach 1,000 subscribers, though. I'll like maybe host like a game jam or like a giveaway or something once I reach 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, stick tuned for that. Okay, let me go back to shop handler. So if there's a plot, we're gonna do this. Plot dot value. Find first child. And in here we're gonna do plot dot name. Plot dot value dot name. I'm gonna do local plot part is equal to that. I'm gonna do this. Item. Actually, we just have to check if plot part even exists. So if plot part, that means exists. I'm gonna do this. Item dot position, or actually C frame, is equal to plot part dot C frame times. There's a time symbol. We're gonna times it by position, and that should work if everything's configured correctly, which I hope it is. So let's see. Hopefully this all works. So let me see. Let's test this out and see if it works. Let's press play and load in and hope that this all works. Yeah, OMG, it could be a collab between Stream Chat and Domtu. Oh, actually, wait, this could be a video idea, just thinking about it. I could make a video where me and viewers make a game. I can invite all my viewers into like you know, collaboration game, and we make a game together for like a whole day. Not a whole day, but like for a couple of hours. We're gonna try and make a game. That might be interesting, actually. Guys, do you want to do that? Do you want to do that? Okay, I just realized, since it's price of 5, this isn't gonna work because I don't have $5. But yeah, once we reach like 400 or 500 subscribers, I'm gonna like host a collaboration game. We're gonna make a video out of it. So yeah, stick tuned. I'll think about it later after stream. So yeah, if you think about it, let me quickly just give myself some money because I have to test this thing. Let me just give myself $6. Okay, let's test this out. So if I buy Happy Rock, nothing happens. Huh. Why isn't anything happening? Weird, weird, weird. I'm gonna have to see why this isn't working. Huh. Let me see. If anything, I'm probably gonna do that next week. That thing that I said, where I'm going to you know, do a collaboration with viewers. That'll be next week though, because I don't want to do it this week. I have to kind of plan over and stuff. So yeah, let me troubleshoot and see why this isn't working. So let me go to shop script. I just realized I forgot to put dot value on the end of this. Oh no, it is text. Oh, it is text though. This item name. Let me just troubleshoot this and see if it works. I'm gonna print fired event. Fired event in main. There's no shop handler. I'm gonna do this. Print retrieved event. I'm just gonna put a bunch of print statements and see. Found item. In here it's gonna be found item. And yeah, let's test this out and see where it doesn't work. Oh, nice. Some guy is back. Nice. Welcome to the stream. Welcome back. Requested module experienced an error while loading. Huh? What do you mean? What do you mean experienced thing? Huh. What seems to be the problem? Let me see. How do I configure this first, actually? Ah, okay, I see. I see where I probably made an error in item info. This should actually probably be this. I should probably put this in a table, just to store this thing. Because otherwise it might get a bit glitchy and stuff, which I do not want. Why can't I type this out anymore? Okay, so we got this. Go see here. Yeah. Okay, I think I did something wrong. I just realized. So let me actually quickly see why I did wrong. Why doesn't it like that? What's wrong? I think something's wrong with this thing. Position is equal to this. Yeah. C-frame. Yeah. Expecting to close. But it is closed though. What do you mean? Huh. Okay, I want to see what's wrong with this, but yeah. Trend game, bro got money on his mind. Go build Tower of Hell. Now, I'm not building Tower of Hell. I'm not. You know I'm still single. What's going on with this game? Position is equal to table. And store the table, what's wrong with it then? Why is this double? Why is this double? I just realized. Should work now though. Huh. Sorry, it might be just be dumb, but I think something's actually broken with this. I think something's broken. Okay, no, that should be fixed now. Yeah, it's fixed now, there. Okay, good. It's actually fixed now. Crap. This is starting to get a bit confusing, thinking about it. Imagine you screenshot this and it become popular and you post a screenshot. Sure. Making money. Cloned object. I just realized I didn't even run the move item to plot thing. Move item to plot. We need the item, so we put in the item. We need a position, which is gonna be item table dot position 1. We just get 1. And then, what's the other thing we need? What was the third thing? I kind of forgot. Oh, the player. And we just input the player. There we go. This should work. If I press play, it should hopefully work. Happy Rock is not a valid member of... Nah, it's just that one. Okay, I don't care about that script. I'll delete that script afterwards, because I don't need it. I'm too good for that script, you know? Okay, let me give myself some money and test this thing out. So leader stats money. Let me set money value to 5 for testing purposes. Press. Attempt to compare number with instance. Ah, I forgot to put dot value. Okay. Let's fix that. Money dot value. And same here, money dot value. Also, just so I don't have to go back and forth, let me just quickly just set my default money to 5 because I can't bother doing that. Let me just do money dot value is equal to 5, just so I don't have to change it afterwards every single time. Let's wait to load in. But now it's actually starting to take a bit of time to load in. Okay, there we go. I mean, this thing didn't update, but it's fine. Shouldn't matter. If I click, okay, there, 0. I have 0 money. Fired event, retrieved event. I don't have my Happy Rock. Where'd my Happy Rock go? Okay, look, it retrieved an event. It found the item. Item table. Yeah, so it ran this. It ran these. It should have cloned the item. And it should have ran these then. Huh. Okay, let's see. Okay, that means it ran almost everything, but there's still an error somewhere. So I have to kind of troubleshoot this now. First, I'm gonna do print function ran. Control C, Control V. Function ran 2. Function ran 3. Oops. Function ran 3. I just forgot I need to set item.parent to workspace. Actually, not workspace, but I need to change this to plot part. Actually, I just set it to plot. I just realized I should just set this to plot. Plot.value. There we go. Let's see if this works. Domtu, can you give me a simple idea for a low poly game? I already have a map. Like, do you mean simulator? Do you mean like a simulator game or something? Like, what type of low poly map? Tell me. Domtu, add those 50 anti-lag scripts from that GIF you sent in chat. I think that will fix the loading issue. Yeah. I wonder what's in those anti-lag scripts anyways. What did they even do in the first place? I don't even know what they'd even do in the first place. Okay, let's see. What happens? Function ran 1. Function ran 2. Okay, so they both ran. But where's my rock? Did even duplicate the rock though? That's what I'm curious about. Where's the rock at then? Because it still should have duplicated it somewhere. Huh. Let's see. Server storage items. Happy Rock, yeah. They should have pasted it here then, so where is it? Yeah, it's not in here. Interesting. It's something. I have just a map with nothing on it, so it's open for anything. Anything simulator, clicker, collector. I don't know. And if it's a simulator, I don't really have any ideas on me currently that I can tell you. I mean, if you're new at game development, just try and make, I guess, a clicker game. I don't know. Because I don't really have any simulator ideas, because pretty much all simulators are the same if it's just a basic, you know, low poly map with, like, pets and stuff. So, yeah. I have to quickly now see. Oh, I just realized I didn't run function ran free. Plot part is equal to plot.value, find first child, plot.value.name. Huh. Okay. Let's see why this didn't work. It's the plot.value, so that's the model. Then it should have gone to here. Interesting, interesting. I need to see why this is. Okay, let me quickly see. Let me test by print this, and let's see what happens when I print this. We should print plot 5 wherever whatever plot I'll be on. So yeah, you should add noise cancellation for your microphone maybe. I mean, yeah, I just plugged it in raw. I didn't really I don't like for streams at the least. I don't really do anything with my microphone. Even then, the microphone now sound lower. Well, let me quickly listen to my own microphone. Be right back. I'm gonna quickly listen to my own microphone. Wait. Sounds fine for me, personally. Doesn't sound that bad. I guess I could improve on it, but yeah. Okay, let's see. Purchase. Plot free. And yeah, I printed a plot free. So you should have ran. I don't see any rocks anywhere. No, I did run, but wait, look. Huh. Plot part. Plot.value, find first child. I should have found this. Plot.value. So instead of here, instead of plot, you should have found plot 1. So why isn't it working? Ah, because it's called plot 1. It's plot free plot 1. Ah, I'm dumb. I'm just dumb. Okay. I have to quickly double check everything. Plot 7, plot 8. Oh, okay. I mean, it's not too annoying. It's okay. I mean, next stream I might add some sort of noise cancellation filter. I just don't really bother because I don't think it's that bad, personally. I don't think it's that bad. If it is annoying, tell me, and I'll change it. I mean, not right now, but next stream. If it is really that annoying. Okay, let's test this now. Purchase. Oh, yes, it works, look! We got Happy Rock, it works. It actually works. Nice. It works. The rock should get added to workspace. And yeah, that's what is supposed to happen. I already fixed the issue. Basically, I mean, I already said the issue, I'll just re-explain it. So basically it was plot free, the whole entire model was called plot free, while the actual part was called plot 1. So that's why it didn't work. But yeah. Okay. Now that that works and everything, I need to do something now. Because now, because like when you purchase it, when you're in the shop and you press purchase, I need some sort of like feedback to like, tell you, purchase successful or something with a sound effect. So let's do that. So let's go back to shop handler. Once everything is ran, move to plot that's ran, we go here, I'm gonna do this. So where is it? Shop event, fire client, I'm gonna input the player that we want to fire the event to, and I'm gonna do this. We're just gonna write true. Else, wait, control Z. Else, if this hasn't worked, so basically here, if else, I'm gonna do false, and we're gonna set a reason. Now what we're gonna do is basically set an else for everything and send every reason why it hasn't worked. So the first reason is that it hasn't found an item, so we're gonna type in item not found. That'll be the first, you know, like, error message. I'm gonna make some more error messages. So the next error message is if you don't have enough money. So if, else, I'm gonna do else, print here. That means not enough money. That's the second error. And there we go. Those are the two errors that we're gonna have. So let's go back to shop script. And in shop script, we're gonna go here. So after all of this stuff, I'm gonna do this. Where's the shop event dot on client event connect function. I'm gonna do these. So first off, was successful, which is gonna be the boolean, and then what was the other ones? And then if it wasn't successful, then the error message, essentially. This is kind of gonna be like this is gonna be kind of like a p call in a way, if you know what a p call is. I ain't doing an Assassin's Creed Roblox game. That's hella too much to do. Maps, too many scripts for my brain. Yeah, personally, I wouldn't even know how to do that. So yeah, I wouldn't even do that myself because I don't even know how to. So yeah. Let's continue. Okay, so shop event on client event. So if was successful is equal to true. Actually, now we don't need to do that. If was successful, then I'm gonna do this. We're gonna find some sound effects. So let's go into audio and search for some purchase. I'm gonna type in purchase, and let's see what pops up because we need some sound effects now to play. Developing a game. I have a screen. You have a screenshot of what happened. Oh no. Oh no, what are you gonna do with that? Are you gonna like incriminate someone with it, with that like screenshot? Okay, let's listen. Let's just wait 50 seconds for every single audio to load in. But yeah, let's just wait for these to load in. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna use that sound effect. I'm not sure if you guys heard it, but yeah, we're gonna use that sound effect. Water break. Good old water. Let's go back to studio. We're going to copy asset ID. We're going to go to, where is it? Game GUI. Just shop script. We're going to just type in sound. We're just going to play a sound for here. So I'm going to, oops, didn't mean to do that. I meant to do purchase. We're just going to call it purchase. I'm going to set the sound ID to true onto here. I'm going to wait. There we go, that's the first. So now we need declined. We're going to search up for declined. Declined and see what pops up when I search up declined. Let's see. No, that's not that. What's this? Oh, I gotta go. See ya, some guy. No. Well, let me search up error then. Maybe an error will be a better sound. Maybe if I search up error, I'll actually find like proper like error sound. Or declined, you know? Hey, there we go, that's good. Or what's this? Is this the Windows error sound? Ooh, this actually might be even better. Yeah, nice. You know, I'm gonna use this. Yeah, let's use this instead. Let's duplicate this. We're gonna call this error. And in here, we're gonna just paste the actual ID in. There we go. Nice. It works. It works. Okay. So if successful, then we're gonna do that script dot purchase play. And with that, I'm gonna do this. What do I need to do? Because if it was successful, then we're gonna do this. So we're going to do what is it? I'm sorry that I can't talk. I'm just like trying to think what I'm supposed to do. Okay, I think I know what I need to do. I'm gonna do scrolling frame, find first child, and we're gonna need item name, which I realize we don't have access to, which is not good. I'm just gonna copy paste this into here. We're gonna find item name, and we're gonna destroy it so you can't buy it anymore. And with that, we also set what is it? Description frame dot visible to false. We're gonna set that to equal to false. And that's if it was successful. Now, if it wasn't successful, I'm gonna do this. So script dot error play. I'm gonna play the error sound, and then I'm gonna do this. Shop button. If I'm correct, was it shop button? Is that what it's called? No, it's buy button. Buy button. Buy button dot text is gonna equal to the error message. And then we're gonna do task dot wait 2 seconds. And we're gonna set the buy button text back to the original text, which is what? Where is it? Buy button dot text is equal to item frame dot price dot value. I just realized we can't do that, so what I have to do instead is actually make another thing. So we're gonna have to do this instead. Local original text is equal to buy button dot text. I'm gonna set this to original text, and this should be done. If I go here, press play, and test some stuff, this should actually work fully. Almost 400 subscribers, I know. Kinda crazy. We're almost at 400 subscribers, which is kinda honestly crazy. So yeah. Okay, let's see if it works. We go into shop, press happy rock, press this. Nice, it works. You buy it, you go here, and see there's no rock. Huh. What happened? Function ran 2, function ran 3. Well, what plot am I? I might have forgotten just to change the text to this one as well. Thinking about it. Plot 2. Yeah, I just forgot to change the plot name as well. Let me fix that as well. Kind of forgot to do that one as well. Let me quickly go to that. Oh, my phone's 15% battery. I'll put it to charge a bit later. There we go, change that to plot 2. Let me see if plot 3 is good. Plot 4 is good. Plot 5. Okay, yeah. Let's try it again. Kind of forgot to change the text, you know? That's a bit my fault. I'm gonna make 6 bot accounts so we can get to 400 subscribers already, lol. Nah, don't. I'd rather those 5 extra subscribers be real subscribers, you know? So, yeah. You purchase it, and yeah, Happy Rock appears. Nice, it works, it works, it works. That's good. Now let's see what happens when you have an error. So instead now, I'm gonna go back to, what is it? Not shop script, where's leader stats. I'm gonna set our money back to 0. And let's see what happens when you try and press buy when you don't have enough money. Okay, let's see. Okay, it didn't teleport me, but it's fine. I'll go here. There we go, not enough money. It works, it works. Nice. I just kinda, oh yeah, I could just realize an error. I can need to add a debounce. Let me add a debounce real quick. let me go to back to shop script and change something. Let me just add debounce. Local. Actually, no. I have to do something else in that case. I have to put this here then. There we go, now that should work. No, it shouldn't error. Hopefully it doesn't error. Let's see. I'm getting a bit tired. Okay, now let's see what happens when you press error. Not enough money? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Nice. I mean, this is a bit funky, but it's fine. Okay, never mind. It doesn't change back. It doesn't change back. But I think it's fine. Because it doesn't really do anything. But Dom's bye. I really need to go. Good luck with the stream. Thanks, Hattie. Yeah, say bye to Built On Tutorial. To the moderator. To this stream's moderator. He has to go now. Okay. What do we do now? Let's think. Okay, I just got an idea. We need to set up the stats now. We need to make the items actually give stats now. So, to do that, we're going to do this. I think we're going to go and do this, which is going to be in player. So, we're going to have to set up the player module. So, in player module, we're going to do this. Not update plots. Assign, no. Change player clothes, no. No. We're going to do this. We're going to make a new function. Make function player module dot set up stats. We're gonna need a player. So basically all we're gonna do is this. So we're gonna get the player, so local, not the player, we're gonna do local stats, stats folder is gonna equal to instance.new folder, stats folder.name is gonna equal to stats, and then stats folder.parent is just gonna be set to, what is it? No. Go away, AI. I do not want you, AI, right now. To parent. There we go. Player. There we go. That should set up the stats. I just need to go into main script, and whenever you do this, we're just going to do this. Actually, no, I want to do that first. I want to do this first. Player module dot setup stats. And just put the player in, and that should work. Oh my goodness, 400 subscribers! Oh my goodness, 400 subscribers finally. I subscribed to all my channels. Damn, you didn't need to. We could have gotten 400 subscribers of real people, but sure, I guess. We finally reached 400 subscribers. How nice! It just feels nice looking at that whole number of 400. Nice, we actually reached 400. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you all for subscribing. It actually means a lot to me. So yeah, let's continue scripting, or let's continue developing this game. So, let's continue by setting up the stats. So, we got player module, set up stats, and now, remember this thing, in items info, or info, or our list of all the info of all the items, we have statistics. And in here, we're going to set some stuff up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make another inner table. So an inner table, which sounds a bit crazy, but it's kind of what I have to do. So we're going to do this. We're going to do money multiplier. Actually, I don't need to do money multiplier. We need money, just straight up money. So money is going to equal to 0.1, because it's going to give us 0.1 money, and that's all we need to put in here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to where is it? Where do we set up the money? A shop handler. I'm gonna do this now. So once you buy the money, once you buy it, so where is it? Retrieve event. It's okay. We subtract the money, and we're gonna do this. In here, we're gonna get the stats folder. So local stats folder. Local stats folder is going to equal to, what is it? Player dot stats folder, or I mean just stats. And in here, we're going to do stats folder. Actually, no, we need to create a new stats. So local. Wait, no. Sorry guys, I'm just kind of trying to brainstorm a good solution for calculating the stats. How do I do this? I need ideas. I think I got an idea, but we'll see. Now do the stream chat X Domtu game right now. For real, I love Domtu. Now look, okay, for all the new people, I'm gonna be doing a stream. Probably, I'm not sure. Probably next stream, but not this week. Not this week. Actually, no, not next stream, but next week on a weekend. I'm gonna make a stream where me and all my viewers of the stream, we're gonna be making a game live on stream. I'm gonna invite everyone who sends their username, and I'm gonna invite them into a collaboration, Roblox collaboration, and we're gonna make a whole entire game. I'm gonna turn it into a YouTube video eventually, but not right now. That's me next stream. Next week. And yeah, so join my Discord server so you'll get notified once I actually do that. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Let's continue with this. So, what the idea I had for this is this. Let's go back to player module. And in here, we're going to have to make free stats. And those free stats are going to be this. Local money multiplier is going to equal to, what is it? Non-integer number value. So, instance.new number value. I'm going to call it, so money multiplier.name is an equal to simply money multiplier. Of course, I'm going to set the parent to stats folder. Dot parent is an equal to stats folder. And again, we're going to have to do this 2 more times. We're going to do local money money adder, which is basically just be to, just adds the money to the total amount you're going to get from, a donation. I'm going to do this instance.new, and again, also number value. And I'm going to do money adder.name is equal to money adder. And a money adder.parent is also just going to be, stats folder. There we go. I'm going to have to do this one more time before the percentage things. But I can script. Nah, it's not going to be only scripting. It's going to be building. We're going to be making a whole entire game during that stream. You can build. You can use free models. Hopefully no one tries to, ransom script or, a backdoor into the game. After stream, I'm going to check everything, make sure there's no backdoor, because I do not want anyone to add a backdoor script into the game. But yeah, join my Discord server, because that's going to be next week, and I'm going to invite every single viewer to make a game live with me. So, yeah. Let's continue. I need to quickly set up the multiplier thing as well. So local, chance increaser. Chance increaser is also equal to an instance.new, but it's going to be integer because you don't need number value. So we're just going to do int value. Chance increaser.name is equal to, just chance increaser then. There we go. And chance increaser dot parent is going to equal to, stats folder. Oh, that was so much nonsense. But yeah, I'm gonna go real quick just test the game because I haven't really tested the game without doing anything since episode 2, to be honest. I've only been testing a game just to like check if something's working. So I'm just curious. I'm not gonna be testing anything. I'm just want to. Okay, I just realized it didn't load in time. Let me quickly just redo it because I really should make a loading screen or a loading script to check once you're loaded in because I have such shitty internet. When I'm streaming, my internet goes garbage. So yeah, so I have to, instead of doing a task.wait 10. Yeah, I'm not loading it in time, but it doesn't matter. Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. How the game just runs normally. Like all the NPCs, yeah, they want to donate to me, you know, here, imagine being poor, how nice of them. They give me money, and for some reason they're doing that. Okay, I do not know why they're doing that. Ah, wait. I forgot, I kind of placed an invisible wall halfway through the alleyway, or through, you know, my plot. And I'll fix that a bit later. But yeah. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with this game. I'm pretty happy with it so far. I'm actually happy with the game. In how many in 5 streams, we have already made this much. And I still have like half the stream left because I'm still gonna stream for like another hour or so. Build Tower of Domtu. Okay, what's that Tower of Domtu? Do you mean like Tower of Hell, but it's like my own stages or something? Is that what you mean? Okay, let's see. We buy Happy Rock, he appears, and now we're in a script functionality. Since we bought Happy Rock, we should have and since Happy Rock gives us plus 10 cents on every single donation, we have to implement that now. So, to do that, first off, I have to go back to Shop Handler, and I'm gonna have to add that thing. So, local stats folder, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, this is gonna be a bit annoying, but bear with me. I'm gonna do this. For underscore. What is it? Value in in pairs. I'm gonna do this. Items folder. Item table dot statistics. We do this. We're gonna loop through every single thing. So if I go to statistics, so where is it? Item info. So currently, this is statistics, which is the table. At the moment, there's only one, but I still have to loop through everything, just in case there's, let's say, like a money increaser, then a money multiplier, and then donation multiplier or donation percentage multiplier as well. So yeah, I have to also like make sure to do all of that. So let me go back to where is it? Shop Handler. And through here, I'm gonna do this. If stats folder dot actually no. If value is value dot value. Wait. Nah, never mind. We're not gonna loop for everything. We're just gonna check. We're just gonna manually check instead. This is gonna be a bit weird. This is gonna be kind of just for a loop for nothing. So item table dot statistics dot money. So if statistics. Ooh, okay, I'm getting a bit confused myself by why I want to make. Okay, let me just quickly see. So statistics. We get all of this. Money. So if there's money. Okay, I think I know how to do this. I think I know how to implement this now. So if statistics.money, then that means there's a money statistic. I'm gonna do this. Stats folder dot I think money increaser. Is that what I called it? Let me go back to player module. No, money adder. It's money adder dot value plus I can't spell. Where is plus equals, what was it? Item table, item statistics dot money. There we go. And now I have to do another. Now I have to paste this 3 more times. But instead of money, it's going to be, what do they call the other ones? Actually, for now, I won't do it. I'm going to do it once I add more items. I'm going to update this. So if there's, like, you know, money multiplier instead. But now I have to test. I need to update the pedestrian AI, so it actually updates. You know, gives you the money based on what stats you have. So to do that, I'm gonna go to pedestrian AI. I'm gonna scroll down to donate to player function, and in here, as you can see, here's this thing. But now I have to update this with all the multipliers, which for now I only have one stat buff, the stat increase, which you know is that. So I'm gonna do this. Local stats folder is equal to, what is it? Player dot stats folder. And I'm gonna do this. So first off, we're gonna add the money, which actually that's the only thing we currently even have, so never mind. So stats folder dot money, or was it money adder dot money adder dot value. I just realized that I add dot value to the end of main, not main, but shop handler. Yeah, money adder dot value. Good. I had to just quickly double check, make sure I didn't mess that up. And now I'm gonna quickly check if this even works. So first off, I'm gonna print just print the amount of money I should get from here. Actually, never mind. I'm just gonna do that instead, and we'll see if this works. Press play, and let's hope that this works. Let's just hope that this actually works now. Hope that we get plus 10 cents when you buy. And I just realized I didn't get teleported in time because of my bad internet connection. It's so annoying to have such a bad internet connection that can barely handle streaming in the first place. But there's not as much I can do about it, sadly. Let me quickly give myself $5 so I can buy Happy Rock. Oh yeah, I should probably implement data stores next as well, because I don't want to keep on saving, because I don't want to keep on rebuying all the items. For now, it's fine. So as you can see, we have the stats. We have chance increaser, money adder, money multiplier. I just realized I could have just scripted it into the pedestrian AI, but I'll do that a bit later. For now, I'm going to test if the money adder even works. The stat increase for the money works. So I'm going to go into money. I'm going to give myself $5, you know? I give myself $5. Which plot do I have? Stats folder is not valid member of players. Players.Dominicus. What do you mean? What do you mean this is not valid? It is valid. Player.stats folder. What did I do to it? Ah, I called it stats. Never mind, I'm dumb. You are lagging a little. Huh. That's because my bit rate's kind of fluctuating, as you can see. Might be because of that, but I don't know. Okay, let's fix this real quick. I kind of called it stats folder when it's just stats. Wait, did I fix that in here? Shop handler. Yeah, I did. Okay. Let's actually quickly do this. Let's make the whole entire formula that calculates everything. So, what I'm going to do is, first off, we times it by the the money multiplier. So stats folder dot money multiplier dot value. But the thing is, look, if this is 0, this is going to times it by 0, and it's going to break the script. So I have to first actually check if this isn't just 0. Because if this is 0, it's just going to break it, because, you know, timing, you know, like 1 times 0, you can't do that in math, so I have to change that real quick. So first I have to check if that's even allowed. So if money data is more than 0, then, so this is more than 0, I'm going to do this. Wait, I just thought of something. Huh. Okay, never mind. So if it's more, so actually no, if it's more than 0, you're gonna do this local. Wait. Local money multiplier is equal to 0 for now. And I'm gonna do this. The money multiplier is equal to money multiplier dot value. And here, if money multiplier, then we run this thing. I'm gonna times this by money multiplier. But else we're gonna add the money adder without it, because it doesn't really matter if it's plus 0, it doesn't really matter because it's not gonna break the script. Unlike that, unlike this. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. Actually, no. I get rid of this. There we go. And now that should work. Hopefully it should work. Are you talking about loading in the game? My bad. It's not lagging for me either, but it's taking a while to load into the game. I mean, it's when I'm streaming. That's when my internet goes a bit bad. That's why my internet goes bad, because I'm constantly sending data, and then it prioritizes the stream rather than the game. So yeah, my internet prioritizes the stream instead, which is why it should do, because otherwise you guys would be like, if it was prioritizing Roblox Studio, then it'd be like making the stream laggy, which is not what I want. But for now, I'm gonna increase the weight in main script so I actually teleport. Because at the moment, I'm not going to implement loading screen because that's going to take a good while. And we're just going to wait now. And hopefully I load it in time now. Hopefully those 15 seconds count. Yeah, there we go. We loaded in finally. Oh. There. Okay, let's see if they donate to me. Because at the moment I have a 0 money adder. My statistics is plus $0, 0 cents. That means I shouldn't get anything. And yeah, we'll see. Okay, 0. Currently have a multiplier of 0, and not multiplier but plus money of 0. And now, let's go and give myself $5. Leader stats, money. Set this to 5. Buy the rock, and now I should get plus 10 cents. Hopefully. Okay, 0.1. Yeah, I think otherwise should have given me 19 cents if I'm correct. If that's how it's working. Okay, I think it does work, which is good. I think that's working fine. I think it's working just fine. Okay, it's working. As you can see, the multiplier here. Stats.moneyadder.value, it's 0.1, which is 10 cents. Yeah. Okay, it works. Good. It's functional. Finally. It's functional. How nice. It's so nice. I think it's time to work on the map, because at the moment, the map is just, 2 buildings and that's it. I think it's finally time to actually finish the map. So yeah. Should I finish the map now, or should I continue scripting, another system? Anyway, how do you make a poll on YouTube? Let me real quick see how you do that. Where are you from, Domtu? I'm from Lithuania. Let me real quick see how to make a poll. YouTube stream, how to make a poll. To create a poll icon on the left of the chat window. The left of the chat window. How do I do that? Wait, let me quickly go into Roblox, not Roblox, let me quickly go to the stream window. I'm not going to show my stream because I don't want to show my YouTube dashboard at the moment. Actually, it's fine. Why am I scared to show it? Nothing's going to happen if I show it anyways. There we go. Go live. Okay, I think what they mean is this button. No. Engage with your audience. Ah, there we go. Start a poll. Let your viewers weigh in. What should I do? Make the map or script another system? Okay, I'm gonna start the poll. Tell me what I should do. You need to be on the stream in your browser to make a poll. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's see. What do you guys want me to do? I'm gonna wait until there's like six, I don't know, 8 total votes. I'm gonna see what you guys want me to do. See, I'm interacting with the audience, see? I'm not just talking to 0, you know, viewers on stream. Like what was happening on the first episode, where I think it was like talking to literally like 0 people or like 1 person. So yeah. Okay, let's see. 8 votes. Oh, it's a 50-50. Come on. It's a 50-50. Well, okay, I'm gonna wait for the 1 vote. Wow, or should I wait for 1 more vote? I don't know. At the moment, script another system. Okay, while you guys bicker about that, I want to quickly make sure everything works fine while you guys do that. So, let's make sure everything works fine. So let me actually first fix that thing where there was a wall covering the thing. Yeah, this one. Let's actually first fix that. Make sure it's not covering it anymore. May also resize this. Make sure it covers that. And this wall as well. Let's make sure this covers this. Make sure the invisible barriers actually work. Duplicate this. Let's move it to like here. For now. And there we go. That should be fixed. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's script another. Okay, let's script another system. Let me end the poll. Too late, muds. It's 60% to script another system. Well, I don't even know what to script. Okay, you know, I have an idea. Because I'm so annoyed at because I hate waiting. How do I say this? Because I hate setting a number and waiting for me to load in. Let's actually make a loading system, so I don't have to put a 15-second timer just to load in, you know? So let's actually do that. So, let's start by making loading screen. Drink some water. So, loading screen. I don't really know how to do this, so I'm gonna have to use Google. So, I think I keep on saying so much. Sorry about that if you guys noticed. Let's make the loading screen. So I'm just gonna make a screen GUI. I'm gonna call this loading GUI. And in here, I'm gonna do some things. First off, I'm gonna set its display order to 1. And in here, I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make a frame. Set the frame, call the frame just loading frame. And we're gonna make this the whole entire size. But first off, let me set this to 0.5, 0.5. Set the size to 1010, 1010, which is gonna make it the size of the whole entire screen. Put it to the middle of the screen. Set the color to 1 so it doesn't burn my retinas out. And as well as that, we're going to go into loading GUI. I'm going to press ignore GUI inset. And in here, I'm going to do this. We're going to make loading screen. So what we need to do is this text label. For now, I'm gonna write loading screen, or not loading screen, but homeless simulator, because you know that's a cool title screen. But first off, I have to make the size correct, so I'm gonna just set it to this. Let's do this. Make it like the size of this. There we go. And let's make it transparent background. Text scaled, text color to white. I'm gonna write in homeless simulator because you know that's cool. And let's set the font to Fedroka. There we go. I'm just gonna call this title label, and now we need a loading bar. So we're gonna add another frame. Do this. Size it down. Do something like this. We're gonna call this the loading bar. There we go. And this is going to be the lower part. So this is going to stay white, but we're going to add a UI corner to this to make it look even better. There we go. That's made a loading bar. Now we're going to need to duplicate this. So duplicate. And this, we're going to set this to green. We're going to make this green. So I'm going to go here, background color. Change this to like a nice green like this. So what this is going to do is basically is going to size accordingly based on how much % has loaded. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I mean, either way, at some point he has to make the map to go on with the game and scripting to know where he has to put stuff. I mean, yeah, essentially. Okay. I think I'm going to have to copy from the dev forums because I do not know how to make loading screens at all. Or I mean, make functional loading screens. So I'm going to have to actually research this. Which is a part of streaming this game, is that I do not know how to make literally everything. So you have to actually research. But I'm going to make the UI, a bit nice looking. So I'm going to add a UI gradient to this. And I'm just going to set the color of the UI gradient to like a slightly darker green. I just realized I have to kind of go here, tap this, and then set it to a dark green. There we go. Close. I'm gonna set the rotation to like 90, I guess. Yeah, minus 90. I think this is a bit too dark for my taste. I want it to be like slightly noticeable, but not too noticeable. Like something like this. Close. That looks decent. Let's see, like halfway it looks like this. In my personal opinion, it looks pretty nice. Okay. Let's Google how to make... Actually, wait, let me quickly rename this to green bar. I also have to make the amount of things I've loaded in. So let me just add text label, but this like here. Size it down. Set transparency to 1. Set this to loading. And then change the text color as well. Let me not forget to do that. Text color is 1. And let me set the font face to Fedroka. There we go. That's the basic loading screen. Now I need to actually code it so it's functional. So, let's do that. Looks good. I mean, it's basic loading screen, so yeah, I can't really mess up a basic loading screen. So, in my opinion, it looks nice. Let's start googling on how to do this. Let's Google this now. So, let's go here and actually first hide my screen for a bit. Display capture. Let me search up this. Roblox, how to make a loading screen. And let me find dev forum post. Dev forum. Because I'm not gonna be watching a YouTube video live on stream. I'm just not gonna do that, you know? And let me show the screen again. Okay, I want to make a loading screen for my game, but I don't know how. This is what I've done. Okay. Power script and starter player scripts, then get the replicated first property, then make a text label of these properties. Make a screen GUI first. So let's see, local replicated first, player GUI, ignore GUI insert, text label of size, loading, please wait. Remove the default loading screen. Yeah, true. I have to remove that. Screen GUI.parent is equal to player GUI. Then wait for the game to load. Maybe make the loading screen be on there for a few seconds first. Yeah, I'd rather not, because I want to test the game. Okay, let's start actually making this functional a bit, because I understand most of the code so far. So first off, local script. I'm gonna do this. Oops, didn't mean to press F2. We're gonna change this to loading script. We're gonna do this first. We need to define, of course, replicate storage, and replicate first is equal to game get service replicated first, and we have to also get all the rest of the stuff. So oops, what am I doing? I meant to type in local loading frame is equal to what is it? Script dot parent dot loading frame. Here we go. I need to get the rest of the stuff, which I kind of realized I need to put green bar in here and move this to here. And I kind of forgot. I also need to quickly resize everything because currently this is all on pixels. I need to set this to unit conversion and add constraints. So first off, let me just set everything to scale. Scale, 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 and scale, scale. There we go. We also change this to loading label to organize, because they need to organize all the stuff. Okay, loading. There we go. Now we need to define everything. So local loading bar is equal to what is it? Loading frame. Wait for child. Loading bar. Local green bar is equal to loading bar. Wait for child green bar. Local loading label is equal to not loading bar, but loading frame, wait for child, loading label. There we go. There, I think we got all definitions for variables, which is good. Anyway, let's continue. You need to first remove the default loading screen, so replicate it first, remove default loading screen. There we go. And then if not game is loaded, we wait. Okay. You have to wait for the game to load, okay. Understand. If not game is loaded, then we wait for the game to load. Got you. Then make everything disappear. Oh wait. Is that really how to do it? Wait. Huh. You should use preload async too. Okay. But you know what, first let's actually test if this works. But to do that, I'm just gonna do this. Once it loads, we're gonna do script dot parent destroy. I wanna quickly see if this even works in the first place, okay? But first off, let me quickly do this. Script dot parent dot enabled is equal to true. Let's see what this even does for us, because apparently this also works, which I'm curious about. So let's see if this works. So if I press play, I should load in. The thing is, I didn't set up the loading screen with the rest of the game, which I'll do a bit later. But for now, I want to see what this does. Okay, it did nothing. That's not supposed to happen. It should at least do something. Huh. Okay. Preload async. Sorry for asking, but... Okay, there we go. Here's my attempt of things that got weird. Okay. Content provider. Let's see what content provider is. You might be able to make. I think I've used content provider before to make another game with a loading screen. So yeah. What's up, for all you plays? Welcome to the stream. What's going on? Currently, I'm making a loading screen. Which let me change the text because I kind of forgot to change the text now. Working on loading screen. And I think once I make the loading screen, I'm probably going to end the stream because I don't want to stream as much. Because I don't want to stream that much today. I'll stream tomorrow as well, if you guys are wondering. So yeah. Let's search up content provider. Because we need to research how to make a loading screen. Press enter and let's wait. Yeah, content provider. Okay, service that is used to load content or assets into a game. Got you. Content provider. Preload async. Yields until all the assets associated with the game with the given instances have loaded. This can be used to pause a script and not use content until it is certain that the content has been loaded in. Okay, got you. One called engine identifies links to content for each item in the list. For any of the instances which have properties that define links to content such as a decal or sound, load those assets, yeah. This method can also take in a list. Okay, let's see the provided thing. Okay, so that's some sounds. Assets. Local callback is equal to function asset. Print. Resolve asset ID. Start time. Oh, I saw clock, yeah. And the callback, which I guess is ran whenever a asset gets run. I mean, loaded. Oh no, I like watching your streams while I make my game. I mean, look, I've already, as you can see on the top of the screen, screen, I've been streaming for 2 hours. Like, I personally also like developing, but, like, I don't really like developing for, like, 3 hours straight, you know? You know what I mean? But, yeah. How do you make that text at the bottom? Wait, what text? What game are you making? I'm making, like, a simulator, like a home, where you basically are a homeless person. I have a Google Doc in the description that explains the game idea, but I haven't really updated it since the first episode. How do you make that text at the bottom? Which text? On the stream text, this thing. I'll just quickly show you. Basically, first you type out your whole entire message. You see your whole entire message in here. And then, if you go into Streamlabs, you go here and there's a filter tab. You like right click this, filter tab. Then edit filters, and there's a scroll thing, and you can add like a scroll here. Like filter type and scroll. And then you can change the speed of it. So yeah. The one that's currently. That's what. Yeah, okay. I thought you meant for a second. I thought you meant loading screen. Yep, Wervo. What do you mean Wervo? I mean I'm using Streamlabs. I'm using Streamlabs to stream, but yeah, it's in sources. Like on the text, you click it, and then filters, then edit filter, and then you can add add filter, and you can from here you can add it. Wervo, YouTube. No, I'm using this is I'm not streaming from YouTube Studio. I'm using Streamlabs. It's It's a streaming software. Just search up Streamlabs download or Streamlabs tutorial, and you can stream and then just watch a tutorial on how to set it up. But yeah, let's continue. Okay, so let's see. Code samples, content provider. Okay, so first thing I need to do is make a list of everything that we need to be loaded, that we need to load in. So, let's do that. So let's go to this loading script, and let's make a big ass a big ass table of everything that we need to load in. So, first off, local assets. That's wait, how do you spell assets? Like that is going to equal to. First thing we need is the player GUI. So player, actually need to define players first. Local, what is it? Local players is equal to game get service players, and local, what is it? Local, yeah, player is equal to players dot local player. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do player dot player GUI. We need to load that in. And then what's another thing we need to load in? If I type in workspace, it's literally gonna load literally everything, which is gonna take ages for the game to load in. I think I might try it. We'll see what happens. In workspace, I guess. I don't think we need to really load in anything else other than that. So yeah, we'll see what'll happen. Yep, where though? Oh, okay, I'm gonna go now, sorry. Yeah, it doesn't matter that much. I'm gonna like end the stream soon anyways, once I make the loading screen, so yeah. But again, if you guys have any ideas on what I can add to the game, join my Discord server, which is in the link in the description, because I have a tab here, or a channel, called Homeless Simulator Ideas, where you can post your simulator ideas, or your ideas for the game. So yeah, please join. Because we're currently trying to grow the channel and the Discord server. So yeah. Okay, there we go. So that's the assets. And what do we do now? Local callback. Content provider preload a sync. Okay. But let me see what this person does. So for I underscore and assets do. Coroutine.wrap local asset is equal to assets.I. Interesting. I'm probably gonna have to do get descendants actually instead. So yeah. Let's do get descendants instead. Player GUI get descendants. And same here, get descendants. Remove that. I'm also going to remove these because we're going to be making a local. Because we're going to be making this myself. And I'm going to copy. I know copying and pasting isn't the greatest thing, but I'm sorry. I don't know how to make this, and I think I already understand what this does. The content provider is equal to game get service content provider. In here, I'm going to do this. Content provider, load status, which is actually, in our case, it's going to be a loading label. So loading label. So what this does, there's the load count, and it goes through every single asset we have. It loads the asset, adds it to the load count, and it changes to loading class asset.class name. Yeah, and then it shows the load count and the amount of assets that's loading in. So yeah. Then it repeats task.wait until assets load count, and once that happens, we're going to try this. We're going to do script.parent. Actually, no, just destroy. Okay, let's see what happens here now. Let's see what happens. I want to see it load in assets. But it's not showing the loading screen, which is a bit of a problem. I want the loading screen to pop up, which it's not doing. Oh wait, it was. Wait. Unable to cast array to content. What do you mean? Loading script number line 30. Huh. What do you mean? I'm gonna press play and see what happens. Let me just let it load in and see what happens. Unable to cast or rate content. Preload a synced asset. What's happening? The count started at 2930, not 900. I need to see why this isn't working. Unable to cast or rate content. Let's see if there's anything like this. Unable to cast or rate content Roblox. Oops. Roblox Studio error. Let's see what happens. Unable to cast or rate to content module. Yeah, this guy is also using content provider, so let's see what they mean. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Those assets, get descendants. Unless... Ah, wait, I think I got an idea on how to do this. I'm gonna screw this over a bit. So we got assets and we do this. 4 underscore asset in pairs. Do. In pairs, we're gonna do, what is it? Workspace. Get descendants. Do. We're gonna put it into this. So we're gonna do this, table dot insert. The table, so assets. And we're gonna insert asset. And we're gonna do the exact same, but with, player dot player GOI get descendants. And this should work now, hopefully. That's the word, hopefully. Let's see. Come on, please don't error. Loading frame, loading animation. Mesh part, wrap target. Nice, nice. Loading decal, sound shirt, model. Nice. Okay. Wait. This is actually big. This is actually big. Now you need to make the loading. You need to make this actually functional. And now I have to remember how to do math. Do you have a data save system? Not yet. But I'm probably gonna do it next stream. Because my money system and stat system and item systems work now. I just need to save them now. So yeah. But that's gonna be next stream. But for this stream, I'm gonna finish up the loading system, and I'll quickly make it functional. So I actually load in. Once this loads in, I send a remote event, and yeah. Let's do this. Let's make the loading bar actually work. I just need to remember how to do math and how to calculate percentages, which I suck at math. But I think I know how to do it. So we're gonna have to update this. How do you update frame UI? Let's think. In school, we use proportion. How do you do proportion in Roblox? I might just copy from the dev forum again because I suck at math, but let's see. Roblox, how to make a loading bar. I'm just gonna copy the formula from different thing. Because I suck at math. Loading bar. How do you make loading bar? Please tell me. Nope, in this they don't even tell you. Creating a loading bar based on numbers. Yeah, that's what I need. Oh, page is broken, or I don't think it has loaded in yet. Actually, I don't think it loaded in yet. Bar.size is equal to number loaded 010. Okay, so it's just divided. That might just be it. Okay, well, it's just that. If that's the case, then it's not even hard. So we just do green bar dot size is equal to udim2 dot from scale. So wait, what was it? So just all the loaded divided by the total. So loaded, which is going to be what? Load count divided by all the assets. And is that it? And I guess we repeat, and once it loads, we're going to do task dot wait free. We're going to change, what is it? We're going to change, what is it? Loading label. Loading label dot text is going to equal to loaded game. And let's press play and see what happens. Come on, please work. Please work, please work. Because I do not want to do this any further. Okay, now this doesn't seem to work. It's just that now. Wait, I think I might have just been dumb. I'm just dumb. I kind of forgot to do the other value as well. And that's the x. That's x, and I just set the y to 1. Like, that was just me being dumb. I forgot to set the y-axis as well to 1. Nice, it works. Loaded game, waits 3 seconds, and deletes it all. Nice, okay. Now I just need to make it so it waits until it's loaded and then it teleports me. And that should be simple enough if I'm correct. All I have to do is add another event. We're going to do remote event, loaded event. We're going to go to here, we're going to set another thing, so local loaded event is equal to game get service replicated storage dot events dot loaded event. And once we load in, you need to do this. Loaded event fire server. We don't need to do anything because we don't need to put any parameters. We just load it in and it just fires the thing. And now we need to get it. So we're gonna go to main, and in here we're gonna do this. Actually, first thing I should probably do is disable auto loading, because we're gonna be manually loading in the character once the game loads. We're gonna do this. So first off, we're just gonna copy loaded event because I can't bother typing that in again. Go to main, paste this in. Once loaded event happens, we're gonna do loaded event on server event connect function. We get the player. And we do this. Players dot load, or is it load? How do you load in players again? No, it's character auto loads. No. How do you load in a player, or is it just player load? Oh, it's load character. We just load the character in. And I think that's it, if I'm correct. Wait, let me see. Is this it? This might just be it. If it all works fine. Because for now I'm not loading in. Wait, I think I just forgot something. Yeah, it's just not gonna show the UI. I just forgot. It's not gonna show the UI if I don't load into player. Oopsies, that's kind of my fault. So that means I can't do that. I mean, that means I have to go into shop handler. Not shop handler. Main. And I have to re-enable players. I have to re-enable this instead. And instead of that, I'm gonna do this. We're gonna make a new thing. So when there's a player added, I'm gonna do this. Local loaded is equal to instance.new, and do bool value loaded dot name is an equal to loaded loaded dot parent is just going to be the player, and from here we're just going to do this. We're going to do this now. Repeat wait until player dot loaded dot value is equal to true. And once it is, we're going to add collisions to the player, and yeah. And in here, we're going to do player dot loaded dot value. I'm going to set it to true. And same here, it's we're gonna wait until the player loads in, and let's see what happens. Okay, we wait. We don't load in yet because we haven't loaded in. Yeah, we load in now. Good. We'll first load in. Loaded a game. But it didn't set it. Interesting. Let's see what happened. Loaded event, player.loaded dot value, we set it to true. I don't think it literally just didn't teleport us. Interesting. Loaded dot value is equal to false. Now, let me also do some print statements to check. Print loaded. In here, we assign a player, yeah. And now we don't need this wait anymore. I don't need to wait 15, and let's see what happens. I think I realized what happened. I forgot to remove the wait 15 from the thing, so yeah. My bad. I think that's what the issue was. But now I should load in. So yeah. Loading wrap target. Loading sound. Load the game. Yeah, it's teleporting me now. Very nice. Okay, it works. Finally, it works. That's all I was begging for. I don't have to put wait 15 anymore, just to wait to load in. I actually made a loading system. I mean, I have made a loading system because I stole the overhead from the dev forums, but we don't talk about that. But yeah, just as a quick test, let me set my money to 5 just to show off everything I made today's stream. Change this to 5. First off, I made the shop functional. You can now buy things, such as the Happy Rock in this case. If I buy this, it disappears and I have the Happy Rock here, and I gain money. And now what this Happy Rock does, it gives me plus 10 cents. And if this person donates to me, I gained 90 cents if I'm correct. But it would have been 80 cents if I didn't have a Happy Rock. So yeah. That's everything we did this stream. In this 2 hours and 24 minutes. So yeah, this is going to be the end of the stream. And yeah, in the stream we also reached 400 subscribers, so yeah. Tomorrow's stream we're going to do some even more stuff. We're gonna actually work on some fun things such as the map tomorrow. So yeah. Thank you for watching the stream. Join my Discord server, and as I mentioned before, next week I'm going to make a community event or a stream where me and all my viewers are going to make a Roblox game together on stream. So join my Discord server for that as well, and subscribe.